Tired of flimsy clothes hangers that don't keep your clothes secure? Upgrade to wooden clamp hangers from Betterall Household Articles Group Co. Limited, the leading hanger manufacturer with over 26 years of experience. Our wooden clamp hangers are the perfect choice for anyone looking to organize their closet. They keep your clothes securely in place, preventing them from slipping off the hanger and onto the floor. Plus, their natural wood finish adds a touch of elegance to your closet. At Betterall, we're committed to producing high-quality products that are built to last. Our wooden clamp hangers are no exception. They are made from the highest quality materials and have been certified by FSC, BSCI, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ES, and SADEX, ensuring that they are environmentally responsible and sustainable. In addition to our standard products, we also offer custom hangers. Whether you need a specific size or unique design, we can work with you to create the perfect hangers for your needs. Don't settle for flimsy, low-quality clothes hangers. Upgrade to wooden clamp hangers from Betterall and experience the difference for yourself. Visit our website at betterallgroup.com, http://betterallgroup.com, to learn more about our products and services.